In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear valance panel on this Honda Civic. This will be located along the bottom of your rear bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the rear valance panel from the rear bumper cover, we're going to start down along the bottom of it. Along the bottom of this area, you're going to find that you have 4 push clips to remove. To remove your push clips, you want to start by slowly dislodging the center. That will unlock it, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. For this, I'm using a trim tool. You can also use a flat blade screwdriver as a small prying device. A quick inspection of your push clips as you continue on down the line. Replace them as necessary. Now we're going to look from along the inboard side of the rear valance panel. If you were to gently flex this down, up in this area, you're going to find that there's several locking tabs. The good news about these tabs is typically for this, you can hold onto the valance panel and gently push it straight rearward, separating each one of these tabs. There we are. We'll just continue down the line. Now, if you did have to, you could use a small prying device to gently work on those locking tabs, prying them out and away from their locked position. Now, I pushed that back in so you can see exactly what we're going to have to do if it was stuck in place. Just make your way right up along the top of that tab with a small prying device, and you should be able to push that out and away. We'll just continue on down the line. There it is, friend. The next thing we need to do is clean and inspect our rear bumper cover along where the rear valance panel will be sitting. I'm just using a clean rag. Just double check to make sure everything's in good working order here, and we'll continue on with our installation. Okay, it's time for installation of our rear valance panel. The first thing we want to do is pay attention to all of our locking tabs that make their way along the top of the valance panel. We need to make sure they align with that bumper cover. The bumper cover has slots for each one of these locking tabs to settle into. We'll align it. Once everything's properly aligned, you can continue on pressing it in. Once you're sure everything's properly aligned, continue on pressing it in as far as possible and confirm it's properly secured across the top, and then we'll continue on with our push clips. Just have a quick peek inside here, confirming it looks like it's secured. If this area did come apart on your valance panel, that's okay. It's very simple to fix. Just go ahead and flex this down, slide it into position. We'll just make sure we're seated all the way across. It's time for our push clips. For the push clips, you want to make sure you have them in the unlocked position. The center is essentially pulled out. Once you have it in place, press the center in to lock it in position. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Double check to make sure it's properly secured in place. Take your vehicle for a road test. Listen for any odd noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.